Bang Pa-in Palace is a palace complex formerly used by the Thai kings as a summer retreat, located next to the Chao Phraya River. King Phra Thinang constructed the original complex in 1632, but it fell into disrepair after the fall of the Kingdom of Ayutthaya and became overgrown in the late 18th and early 19th centuries. King Mongkut, also known as King Rama IV, began to restore the site in the mid-19th century. Most of the present buildings were constructed between 1872 and 1889 by King Chulalongkorn, also known as King Rama V. He welcomed many royal visitors here. The structures represent a variety of architectural styles, including Thai, Chinese, and European, set in a large park around ponds and waterways. One of the first things you will see after entering the palace grounds is this small shrine built in Khmer style. It was built in 1880 under the direction of King Rama V and dedicated to King Phra Thinang of Ayutthaya. The number one reason why I want to visit Bang Pa-in Palace is to see the stunning divine seat of personal freedom, which is a pavilion constructed in the middle of a pond. It is the only building in the palace that was built in traditional Thai architecture. It was built during the reign of King Rama V, and there is a statue of him inside the pavilion. This pavilion is a replica of a pavilion that is in the Grand Palace in Bangkok. Unlike me, this pavilion is very photogenic. This royal residence, known as the Excellent and Shining Heavenly Abode, was built in neoclassical style and contains a throne hall. It's still in use as the royal family's private quarters. The Tevaraj-Kunlai Gate is a semicircular building that displays a few artifacts and gives a little history about the palace. Sage's Lookout is a brightly painted lookout tower built by King Rama V in 1881 and was used to observe the surrounding area. Heavenly Light is a Chinese-style royal palace and throne room. It was a gift from the Chinese to King Rama V in 1889. This royal residence, known as the Garden of the Secured Land, was built in European style. And now let's take a look at some of the royal mansions. This is the Memorial Garden, and the most important monument here is dedicated to Queen Sunanda. In 1880, King Rama V issued a royal command to arrange a royal barge procession to go to Bang Pa-in Palace, but there was an issue with the timing, so he asked for a royal entourage to go to the palace first. On the way there, the ship carrying his wife, Queen Sunanda, and their daughter, the princess, had an accident, and both of them drowned. A member of the royal staff instructed everyone not to touch the queen and princess because it was punishable by death for commoners to touch a member of the royal family, so they sunk to the bottom of the river. This memorial to Queen Sunanda includes a poem from her heartbroken husband.